What's up, guys? Ervin here, Professor. We got another combo for you guys, the jump thread. I love this move so much. I do it a lot in my sets. I just want to share all this stuff, basically. Everything that I do, I share with you guys. So my thread jump, before I get into the move, I want to share a little story and stuff. So if you don't want to hear this, just go ahead and skip to the part, and I'll put the timestamp below of when the tutorial starts. But the story is, when I learned this move, I was at the top of my bunk bed with my brother, and he just told me to jump through the opening. So basically this is the move. But the first time I did it, I was at the top of my bunk and I landed like, bah, and I hurt my ankle. Like I basically snapped it. So with that being said, make sure that you guys practice this on like a smooth floor. So like this is fine. And then always start slow. So I'm gonna teach you guys right now. This part of your foot, your toe, you want to grab that, but make sure you're not grabbing it like in front like this. Okay, you want to grab behind so you have like a good grip, and you want to create this opening. Make sure that this opening isn't small. You want to create that opening big. So I always make my elbow kind of push out a little bit more than it has to. Okay, so again, that thread is gonna happen like so. Here, bring your knee in towards your chest. Yeah, open that up, and then you're gonna bring the leg through and land. Okay, so that's the thread on the floor. From here, what you're gonna do to train this is first bring the opening really low, and then jump through, step, pull, like that. Okay, and just do that like a couple times so that you can get used to seeing like visually your leg and your hand go through. So one more time here. Make that whole big step while you're still connected. Step through while you're still connected with the hand. Don't break the thread, and pull up. Okay, one more time. Boom. All right. So now you're gonna add a small jump. Now that you have the feeling with it, so keep it low still. You're gonna add a small jump, and even if you have to break it like I just did right now, so that you can get the feeling, then that's cool. Cool. Once you feel confident, just keep that connection on with that foot, and then eventually you're gonna be able to get to like go through and jump through with that thread. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys now a couple ways that you can combo this into some simple moves. Okay. All right. Here's one. All right. It's a footwork, right? Let's see. Under. It's a freeze. One more for the people. One more for the people. To go down. Yeah, man. Play with it. Like I said, the main thing about this is to just make sure that you keep the thread. Never break your thread. So like this, if you're doing this stuff, you know, or you're going like this, that's whack. All right, make sure you don't do that. Keep the threads connected. Practice. Peace out.